Yeah. Wamayo. Whenever ye. The medicine where they say make a bath drink. You don't use that tear up. The one where they say make tear up, you don't drink them. Whenever ye. Orish. My people, when I know they say they talk small time don't go. As I just work out for social media, I come across this video now about to do away there, so I will play for now. I don't know say Sandoka even build a new house. I can't say about right now say well I beg which kind of house Sandoka build. I say Sandoka bowa or maybe Oboweya. I don't even know. Now I can't stop. I can't listen to Ogbeti one of UK. Now I can't say how bad they would laugh Sandoka. Hey! Now I say Ukunia when about him manwo. Hey Omodion Nozoa. Hey Modion. First speaking. Now you just be like this so. What was one in UK now? What was really carrying life with social media? Omodion te no, I tell you no. Any Omodion te ya we my people, I never make a play and make on list. Hi. Ya we don't be moi. I don't be moi. Oh, you have one black soup on where because your brother say once your mother-in-law don't give you black soup. Now you they misbehave. Maybe you don't see black soup. I been want me to give you we don't know the one we can't give you for inside. Maybe we listen. Eh? What are we?
A document we are not like on the song now. So yes, why this down so now 1, 2, 3 one like 20 feet. 20 feet by 15. 15. Okay, wait, so you said this has not be duplex at security post.
Mon Dieu.
You said I'll be doing before we contact living room, dining, kitchen, that no even trust
because
she don't post everywhere for social media and say she built duplex, so may all of us got down. So as me God reach there, that's the duplex you build have been a security post.
Help, today
I record your voice, so I'll post that. Me, I don't see mini duplex.
Ovi joué ni anore America. O mere dege we ni awu ezu woni ya. Nota ma wewe la wa. Sandoka oni oviere we saga. Oga ila diabani ana do fi gbare ke no ma keke. Awe Sandoka who send you. O mere si we ni ani asi we la wa omodio na wahina. Omodio na wahina no wazu wona. Omodio wo ye take ate. Omodio. Mon Dieu, et je ne sais pas si tu vois un fois avec un abat. Voilà tout. On a de et je ne sais pas de yawe qui ont messé 43 years old. Ha, il be like my grandpapa. Hey, abat. Je ne sais ma. You know what celebrate? You live in not send you. Which one copy your own? The one where you say you build for Amagba. Now government money, now what money, now you take build that. Igima, oh yeah, boy, abati. Now make you even come for South Africa. Because they promise you heaven and earth, no worry, not this one. Small girl will be say build house. Umaseti where congratulations, my beautiful sister, you will build more and more. About come they laugh. Oh mon Dieu no zua. But I oh when now. Baake sonwe, be maike na ake sonwe ma bati, baake sonwe. Omodio wazuona. Me with the listing.
now. Now mini duplex now. Esther Dopa you build. Maybe she me was in this kind of duplex before. Got me don't post on social media say me don't understand this house where Sandoka build. Me she call explain. Let's not be competition. Must you build upstairs? That must. Your hand never is upstairs. You don't first come down first. When you make money first. So you say it's on a security post. Man, nothing that one. We have to take back there. Me the record and I want post I tell they say now you build Bishop house, Bishop Obaze for Ugbo. That mansion, now you build that from the foundation. Now you clean that place. When they see who go there will know say the engineer and I work for that place. Not be now you build that. Now she did that there, they do video up and down. She don't be asking me, who be the engineer who build this house? Who be the engineer who put this mansion for here? No, so you said okay, so you know if you explain the okay, but I come a second engineer. Make you explain that for me. I'll send you picture. Send me picture for duplex because I this one is a duplex, but me don't understand. A security post.
What you gonna concern me?
I'll post this video so you watch it. You see? As I see. Okay, wait. Make I do this video where make I see that because Sandoka, now she post this picture. Say she want to do housewarming. I can't see this picture. This is a standard duplex. So I was not saying, make I because I know they look Sandoka like a musician. Apart from a document, we are not like on the song now. So where you could say, your marriage, you bury out, but you just move with people with the average jado, and the mobile jado, you walk over with the mobile. So, I know the way, I understand one. The up, all this place, let me say, call this place, I post people, they cost me there. It's a mess, and congratulate her first. I'll then know what she built if I congratulate her now.
But, they to where Yahweh 8 hours. Where me bon ya my picture or man bo while or do I say colleague do I know where they will not what it concern you for another person another person progress about you the cry. Hey, I never seen this kind of thing before or more for that matter. Where can you give me no reward? Where can you give me no reward? It's not a normal thing.
Not doing that congratulation. I tap. You don't look what you the tap. Now this up. I know the way I second for up, so a toilet. A toilet and one room. You see where that room, the people say, maybe now one room and store and get up. Or maybe there's try squeeze 2 rooms for up. If there's something they put it 2 rooms, it will likely be cage. That will not be rooms. Then I can't look the down, look the veranda, look the balcony for up. I can't check this door where they down. Now backyard door, maybe from kitchen or from dining. So let's assume that this downstairs get visitors toilet, sitting room, maybe one room, dining. I mean dining, don't they? I mean dining, don't they? This house. Oh, one way you born with our video. We're not away. You know, the way I'm making no, I can't our video. We're not tired. We're not madi. We're not bishop. We're not madi way or no work bishop. We're not no work bishop. No see where we are. One at the Gina, no boy. I have one at way. I have boy. I have managed space now. I take doing this as your the war. Everything just straight. Okay, the one you hear for instance, I say the engineer fuck up. They're not saying 2 months ago, they discharged engineer. Engineer don't be that finish. Engineer don't be that finish. So this stuff that I don't understand. Because what I see, you know what we must continue to condemn things like this. There is no need for competition. You see all these Bini entertainers, they compete. I don't want to compete. Esther built duplex, you can't come. Esther built a mini duplex. I went to the house, a good crib. Esther built a mini duplex. Must you build duplex? Hey. I mean, not be some of even duplex. My engineers are security post to build. But my security post, Ubakwe asked me here today, Ubakwe. This is Ubakwe house or Ubakwe duplex. Security house. My engineers were in security house. I said, no, now person duplex, they don't be duplex, why is it going to be duplex? Which can not be why you away competition. Not be must to do to say not be a problem. Not going to enter problem. I do a yoga bow. I do a little just because you want me top. Because we may marriage, we may always have look at me may barrier. You make me go what is she really doing? How many albums should they sing? I should make her money. Okay, for Ebony, we understand. Okay, Ebony is more. She be actress. She be producer. We see her jobs for YouTube. Esther, they play music. Esther, they go show. We can still understand for Esther. Who again? We should have female people. They some they do social media, TikTok. The man, you know, as I wait December, all in the way chanto here. They will be so we question Canada, we question Canada. We so we are UK now. The stars that look better here, better look we know what day. So if they give a competition, they know what not. She needs to explain to us why she felt deceive us with this picture. Say she felt one picture. Why she felt deceive us? Because we don't understand the one now. Because Okano one, she felt get bungalow. Me, I prefer that bungalow pass one. A security house, security post to Webona. Or when get now Webona. So why is that way competition? Be real. Somebody in the comment and say, which one you build? Must I build the place? Must I build the place? Am I in competition with anybody? Not my life. I come your life. If you know they do competition.
No, be smotino. Me we finish.
Like somebody just say, which one your wife build? My wife say, my wife now housewife. She does not need to build her own house. What does she want to build her own house for?
No.
Whatever I own belongs to her. Almost all our documents carry our two name.
Okay.
So which one we say, me get house, my wife get house. Which kind of life be that one? So I don't understand. People like Sandoka are not good role model to our ladies. Now I mean they want to kill one and yes, Sandoka, but okay, my final question I want to ask Sandoka. Sandoka, Oshomol Omaseki, ultimately. Maybe you tell you do it, maybe a government now to read, you have to fake it. If you go one of them at first, if
hey, my people, I never see this kind of person before for life. Oh, una don't see. Ni ke hiya wagbo. Ime mi egbo ma no jebe dan ka pat e jealousy wagbo we se le odena. Aba to ma se. Ona egi oge. Laugh matter. You need to go and check your brain. Winere o wage bini winere ya we ya o wage borije o abati winere o wase ti waju we ya be ya nana ma ye le gbewe o ma we bo wa o ge kan we no do ka we ma kan na mi ge o we ke ma pa we o wa igbagwe o bi obo ya no ha ma wani we which one your wife build o sa bo a blessing about mama, my may no webo. Hey, my people. Uga stake, boma na batije, una progress, you are you, or si yokoto, wale no si yokoto. No ekebe u, this one, about onagima, this one no good. Person build house. If you don't want to celebrate her, leave her. You come out, what do I condemn me? They will not hear, or when me palo, Yekowa, or wig bag well, about are you for it? And you say you be Omodio no more than bottom, and you be. God forbid bad thing. My people, make I live now. Now, don't wait on that, me love and I can share. Leave your comments. What you not think about this? Omo dion ozo wa no re gboto no ri ozangi e bi e wo wa. Na ba ti bi. Na bye bye.